see, the mind is only medicine for mind is meditation. There is no other medicine. There is no other meditation. And I said every aspect of your life is connected with mind. Why meditation is a medicine? Because mind suffers from 4 diseases. First, and a very dangerous disease, is excitement. That is why you see, all religions say that patience is a quality of being religious. You see that movie, Oh My God? How that priest gets angry on Amir Khan, on Paresh Rawal. Murkh! Excitement. It's so much dangerous, excitement. And it develops in such a hidden way, you will never understand. Who's responsible for this? Society, family, school, they all are responsible. Hurry, everything. In everything, hurry. Time is money, hurry, you'll be late. So, while eating, you are in hurry. While driving, you are in hurry. While playing, you are in hurry. No, I have to go at 4:30, my mother has said I have to go. You have to be cautious, alert. You cannot be haramkhor, lazy also. You are lazy, you are lying down for 24 hours every day and you say I am not in excitement. No, that is haramkhori, laziness. You are in hurry while eating, you are in hurry while driving, you are in hurry while playing. But you are in a hurry everywhere. And this hurriness has been given to you by society. This hurriness will be the part of your habit. This is the second disease of mind. Whatever you do regularly, it becomes habit. Cigarette becomes habit. Tobacco becomes habit. You can develop any habit. So some people work at this level also. They try to give you positive habits. But habit is habit. Whether positive or negative, it's a disease. Positive habits will give you some good results in this world. That is true. Positive habits. So people will start doing it here. They work it here. They understand. These academicians and all these people, the people who do motivation classes, they'll tell you certain formulas, practice it for 21 days, and some of them when they practice, they develop it as a habit. So you see improvement for a level, you see improvement. It's a very dangerous disease of mind, habit. And if you develop hurriness here, now when you will study, you will be in hurry. And while studying, if you will be in hurry, you will be in trouble. Why? Studying means reading plus thinking. But you are in hurry. You are in hurry. You will have to finish NCERT in 2 days. Oh, you neglect it. So you finish it, but you don't know anything from that NCERT. And this I can say with guarantee, because I have got the messages of my Ray program. People whose attempts are over, they have written to me. Okay, we never thought in this way. It's a grace of Almighty. Whatever you see in that Ray program, that is only the outcome of meditation, nothing else. To be very frank, nothing else, meditation. And where your concepts will not be clear, you will have no confidence. Lack of confidence will lead to depression. Depression will lead to failure. You're in a hurry. This habit of hurriness has given a very dangerous situation in the society. It has led to such a big sexual problem in the society. Premature ejaculation. Majority youth of this country is in fear. They have written on the walls, they do the ad in all the newspapers. Big bill signboards near coaching institutes, colleges, railway stations with the big lines, headlines. Don't be depressed. Nirash na ho. You can have a better sexual life. But sir, it's simply a mental problem. It's only a mental problem. It's a business of million crores. Crores and crores of rupees. It's a business. But you simply think you are in hurry. You are hurrying in. You are in a hurry while eating, you are in a hurry while driving, you are in a hurry while playing, you are in a hurry while studying. So, there is a habit of your mind. When you will reach here, I was watching a Facebook post and I saw a video on sex. And that was a very good video. The guy and the girl perform the sex and the girl is unhappy. Boy is very happy. Boy is very happy. I have enjoyed, but girl is unhappy. And the boy says, now we should work on your program. And the girl immediately says, fine, at least do something better there. And the guy turns back and says, you're not happy? She says, no. He said, why? She says, I did not come. And see the innocency of the guy, he says, where you did not come? Or she says, he did, I did not come. He said, okay, fine, I understood you did not come. But where? And then she shouts, see, you am idiot. Video is present on Facebook. I'm not saying anything from my side. And then she explains the process of sex in such a way, you better see from that video. First habit, excitement, suicidal. Be cautious. Awakened. There is a word, awakened. Don't be lazy. Counter excitement by awakening. This is what meditation will give you. This is the first gift of meditation, awakening. Otherwise, you will go on the other path. You will become lazy. And you will have a solid ground. The excitement is a disease of mind. I am not excited. You have to be awakened. If you plan to play for 1 hour, you have to be awakened. I'll play for 1 hour, but in that 1 hour I'll not think anything. I'll play very smoothly. Once 1 hour is opened, I'll leave. It will end your habit and make you practical. This is the second gift of meditation. First disease, excitement. Second disease, habit. Third disease, illusion. Illusion. Illusion is the third disease. I should go for IS or not. Initially, I should prepare for UPSC. No, I should do law. But law is for a 3-year or 5-year. I should do MBA. Illusion. You don't have a control on these two. And your mind is habitual of bringing unnecessary thoughts. He knows you will not counter. You don't meditate. He gives you any thought. And this type of people are mentally unstable. Today, majority, the number has increased. They roam from one corner to another corner, this corner, that corner, they cry. Meditation gives you clarity. My father is a clerk. He can afford my coaching only for a year. So if I have to continue and if I fail to qualify in 1 year, so I have to maintain my expenses. Okay, fine. So first thing, I will create my economic stability. I will start tuitions from graduation, 2nd year and 3rd year, so that I can develop a good base in tuitions. Anything, when you come to Delhi and for preparation and then you feel financial shortage, at one point or immediately you cannot create anything. People come to me and say, sir, arrange some tuition, my father is not able. You have to plan it. I'll do software course. I'll do hardware course. Excitement, habit, illusion. Fourth disease. So meditation gives you awakening. Meditation gives you practicality. Meditation gives you clarity. Fourth, laziness. All the saints of India have unanimously said that laziness is like suicide. You got up at 7 a.m. You had a good breakfast. You again slept. I'm not feeling good. If you're not feeling good, you should go for introspection. You feel dizziness, lethargic. There is a difference between lethargy, dizziness and laziness. Lethargicness and dizziness can be because of BP and sugar. Laziness. And meditation gives you what? Spurti. Spurti. Spontaneity. Spontaneous, what you say? Spontaneous. You know? Not excitement. Spontaneity. Now you just see. I said I will not go into detail because it's a very big discussion. Meditation. diseases. First one, excitement. Second one, habit. Third one, illusion. Fourth, laziness. What meditation will give you? Awakening. Clarity. Sorry. Practicality. Clarity. And spontaneity. And all this in totality will improve your intellect. Intellect. You will supersede mind. You will overcome mind. You will come at the level of intellect, buddhi. Mahabharata, you see? Vidura is intellectual. Duryodhan, Arjun always tries to be in the company of intellectuals. He listens to the intellectuals. Duryodhan never listens to the intellectuals. And once you come to the level of intellectuality, at least your work will be done. At least your work will be done. You will be able to qualify IAS, you will be able to become member of parliament. These things you will be able to do. But if you have ambition, you cannot stop at a level.